If you are looking for cabinets for a kitchen, for a laundry room, or for your bathroom, then you have to stop by Northeast Factory Direct because the owner, Alex Nemeth, is here. He's going to tell you why. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. All right, we all know we're in this big warehouse full of furniture, hot tubs, bedroom sets, dining sets. You have everything, but you really pride yourself on the kitchen cabinets. Why? Tell us about the quality.
Our cabinets are an absolute home run. Okay, so what I have here is this would be an example of a builder's grade cabinet. It'd be like the cheapest cabinet you can get off the shelf from one of the big boxes. Particle board sides, kind of stapled, glued drawers.
Wiggly.
Once you get into high-end cabinets, or our cabinets, they're all solid wood box, full extension, soft cushion closed drawers, as well as the doors are all cushion closed too. So there's zero particle board on any of our cabinets.
How, with this high quality, how do you save that much money on cabinets?
The easiest thing is our volume. We sell over 1,500 kitchens a year out of this warehouse that we have here, and we just pass the savings on to the customer.
How does the process work? Because this could be a big project for people and very intimidating, but your people are the best and they really make it easy.
Yeah, so where we save a lot of money on our showroom,
right,
we really try to invest in our people. Our people are great. So typically what you do is you bring in your rough dimensions and you can sit down with one of our designers and they'll lay the whole kitchen out and spend time with you designing it free at no charge. And then when you decide to move forward, we come out to the house, we double check the measurements, make sure it's all going to work so you're totally comfortable with the process. And that way if something's wrong, it's on us, not on the customer.
And you even go out to the house, make sure all the measurements are good. And you know what? And also the majority of these cabinets are made right here in the US of A. High quality stuff, it's the best. Check them out on the east side or the west side, or simply go to the website, northeastfactorydirect.com.